So we're starting this vlog off on a bike ride to Chocolate Hills. Excuse the hair, I've had this helmet on the whole time and it's really screwed it up. But I thought I'd have a little stop off because we've been riding for a while. It's like 2 hours away, so. And then, yeah, we're gonna go to Chocolate Hills, maybe this Tarsier Sanctuary and a waterfall. But I'm not sure because we got up pretty late. But let's continue the journey. Okay, so we've made it to the Chocolate Hills after a 2-hour drive, so be prepared if you want to come here on a bike. It's going to take you a long time. My wrist is so sore from driving, but we're here, so roll the cool montage. This has been some mad journey today. And now we're walking on the completely opposite way to the waterfall. Fantastic. Right, I'm gonna try and scare Danny, so let's see. Boom! Ah, you, God damn it. She knew I was coming. Did you see me?
No.
No! As per usual, it's raining, but look at the scale of it. There's a dude there. Look how tiny it is. Yeah, as per usual.
No.
We've been raining all the time.
Okay.
It's been raining a lot.
It hasn't rained once in Bohol.
Yes, it has. It's not in Bohol, but in Philippines. But look at that tiny little speck. I guess there's only one way to do it. Woo! Pretty cold. Nothing in my pockets. Let's go for it, dude! Oh, wow. Woo! And that is it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy. I know it was quite a short one, but oh well, sometimes they're short, sometimes they're long. If you did enjoy, you know what to do. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, and until next time, happy travels. It's nice and sunny.